that in Maharashtra we have Shiv Sena who has a mouthpiece of Samna and they write anything. So henceforth, is this Renavasa going to be the mouthpiece to speak on political languages and creating a panic situation when there is nothing existing in Goa? Which religious institution is democracy? I would like to know. And when you don't have democracy in your own issue, you talk about giving lectures to people and creating an alarming situation and the argument says that it is not polarizing the minority. Who says so? Are the Muslims not doing certain things to polarize though they are the minority? Polarization takes place everywhere. That effect that will take place reverse is also true. But when you sometimes get blinded in your own ego, you don't see that what is happening.
In 2014 and in 2017, the advisories issued by Council for Social Justice and Peace on behalf of the church speak about the threat to democracy, the constitutional threats.
Yeah. Those advisories are quite clear.
Again, F.E. Noronha has spelled out. And in fact, the advisories are prophetic. Many Catholics are saying what you all had told has come true. Social justice, these issues are all of social justice.
Correct.
People's rights are issues of social justice.
Correct.
The church does not see social justice as alien from spirituality and religion. The same BJP in 2012, 2017, 2014, when press was asking him, the church has given advisory on this, it does not impact the voting. Suddenly, this article of Renavasa has impacted the voting. Secondly, if the church raises issues of social injustice, okay, it becomes polarizing.
The BJP and the ruling side feels the timing is too accurate to be coincidental.
It is not only timing, it is also the article on the magazine.
The problem is
content is not the issue.
Let him finish.
The problem is of BJP is that it is polarizing. The main accusation, not the timing. That is doing it. My issue is
polarizing during election.
The content
my issue is
whether that content could come.
How is the content polarizing? The content affects Hindus, Muslims, people across the board. Parsis, everyone.
There are two lawyers. Is the man already framed? Is number one point. I am just raising one. He is not yet framed. Okay? Investigation is still going on. Everything is not thrown open in every investigation. We do not know how they are playing it. Number one. There was a big doubt. Could this man, in my mind, could climb up that wall? He climbed up better than a monkey. Showed it on TV. Number two. Number three, my question is, the same fact-finding team had met the police. They gave them some explanation. Now you got your report. Why did you not go back to the police and tell them, oh, you told us this is our findings, what do you have to say? Then come to the press. But the way you have come 3 days before the election, how can this thing be coincidental?
It looks like the only issue is 3 days before.
See, one thing
Definitely
is...
That is the issue. That is the issue raised by the BJP.
Yes. The whole thing is
Pramod, this is typical BJP this. You avoid the contents of everything, go on to small technicalities of timing, the phase, this thing. Okay.
We would also not be bothered.
The problem is CSJP and this SSS, CSSS, whatever is unconstitutional in this thing. If Mr. Nilesh Kabral's press this thing is to be taken, the comments he has made proves the fascism. When he says what authority this committee has got to invest. So a citizen like you and me cannot investigate.